FDA Registration Assistance presents
If your company manufactures or distributes medical devices in the United States, you've likely encountered the term FDA Medical Device Registration. But what exactly does medical device registration mean? Who needs it? And does registration mean FDA has approved your device? FDA Medical Device Registration refers to the process of registering certain medical device establishments with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The purpose is to identify companies involved in manufacturing, processing, packaging, labeling, relabeling, sterilizing, importing, or distributing medical devices intended for the U.S. market. Registration allows FDA to maintain records of establishments participating in the medical device supply chain. For many companies, registration is a required step before marketing medical devices in the United States. Many businesses involved in the medical device industry may be required to register with FDA. Examples often include medical device manufacturers, contract manufacturers, specification developers, sterilization facilities, repackagers, relabelers, and initial importers. Both domestic and foreign establishments may be subject to FDA registration requirements. The specific obligations depend on the activities being performed. One of the most common areas of confusion involves establishment registration and device listing. They are related but not the same thing. Establishment registration identifies the company or facility involved in regulated activities. Device listing identifies the specific medical devices associated with that establishment. Many companies are required to complete both. Understanding the difference is essential for maintaining FDA compliance. Another common misconception is that medical device registration means FDA has approved the device. In most cases, that is not true. Registration simply means the establishment has registered with FDA. Depending on the device classification, additional regulatory requirements may apply. Some devices may require FDA clearance through the 510(k) process. Certain higher-risk devices may require pre-market approval, commonly known as PMA. Registration and FDA approval are separate regulatory concepts. Foreign medical device establishments are often required to register with FDA before marketing products in the United States. Many foreign companies must also appoint a U.S. agent. The U.S. agent serves as FDA's primary U.S.-based contact for communications involving the foreign establishment. FDA Registration Assistance proudly serves as U.S. agent for medical device companies around the world. Some common registration mistakes include confusing registration with FDA approval, failing to complete device listing, using inaccurate establishment information, failing to maintain annual registrations, or misunderstanding establishment responsibilities. These mistakes can create unnecessary delays and compliance complications. Early planning and accurate submissions are essential. FDA medical device regulations can become complicated, especially for companies entering the U.S. market for the first time. That is why companies in more than 135 countries trust FDA registration assistance. Our team assists with medical device registration, device listing, U.S. agent services, import compliance support, FDA classification assistance, and broader medical device compliance guidance. Since 2013, we have helped companies navigate FDA requirements with confidence. If your company manufactures, imports, or distributes medical devices in the United States, understanding FDA medical device registration is an essential first step. Contact FDA Registration Assistance today and learn how our team can help support your medical device compliance journey.